good news for solar consumers in Pakistan amid big cut in installation cost. Installation of solar setup just got cheaper in Pakistan, and there is a sigh of relief for those looking to install solar systems. As prices of solar saw fluctuation amid mushrooming and proposal about cut in buyback rates, Lahore Electricity Supply Company, that is LESCO, slashed price of AMI bi-directional meters. Earlier, AMI meters cost over rupees 50,000 and now new price now set at rupees 42,000. In previous months, the power supply company issued demand notices for AMI meters at rupees 52,000. But now the price reduction follows LESCO's shift from green bi-directional meters to more advanced AMI meters. The revised cost also includes additional associated charges, providing more affordable option for those looking to invest in solar energy. For many in the region, this price drop is expected to make solar power systems more accessible and cost-effective, especially during the hot summer months when electricity consumption is at its peak. It's a promising step forward for those looking to save on energy bills and contribute to a more sustainable future. As temperatures soar and heat wave alerts are issued across Pakistan, the demand for solar energy systems, especially 5 kilowatt setups, is seeing increase. 5 kilowatt solar system, ideal for middle-class families consuming up to 600 electricity units per month, is becoming more popular choice. Current prices for 5 kilowatt solar system range from rupees 6 to 7 lakhs, making it an attractive alternative for those looking to reduce electricity costs and ensure uninterrupted power supply during hot weather spells. In addition to 5 kilowatt systems, the demand for larger solar setups such as the 10 kilowatt system is also on the rise. A 10 kilowatt solar system, which includes 18 solar panels, a hybrid inverter and various other components, is ideal for households with higher energy needs. This drop in solar panel prices and the introduction of net metering have made it more feasible for households to make the switch to solar energy. With the growing concerns about electricity shortages and rising energy costs, solar power is becoming a more accessible and sustainable option for many Pakistani households, particularly during the scorching summer months.